Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Eric Saxog, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new Bay Star Sport 3226 for 2019. This is a wonderful coach with lots to see. Come on inside, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this 19 Bay Star Sport 3226. This is pretty much the exact same floor plan as the Bay Star 3226. So you do have a full-length king bed in here, 80 inches, just like you'd have in your home. Beautiful thing is you're not going to have to worry about buying custom sheets for this. You do have power on both sides of the bed to go with the nightstands up here, and that power is sufficient to operate CPAP machines, no worries. You are, of course, going to have nice big storage space here, his and hers wardrobe, plus all of these beautiful hand sanded, hand finished hardwood. There are no splinters there at all. These are just the best of the best. As we work on out into the rest of the coach, let's talk about the bathroom a little bit. One of the changes, you may be noticing that this is strikingly similar to the 3113 floor plan, and you're right. And this is the area where they made the change. So basically the shower here is bigger than it was last year in the 3113. So I've got lots of space to move around. If you can see, I'm 5'9", I weigh 200, and my hands are a good 4 or 5 inches from the other side of that wall. Lots of room to move around in this bigger shower. You do have ready access to the power up top, and then you do of course have storage and storage all throughout, including down below and all those storage bays over there. So lots of room to move around. As we get in, you're going to have storage here for pantry space. You're also going to have more pantry space here. This is going to be a 10 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, so that is a little bit of an upgrade as well. And from there, you're going to have 3-burner gas cooktop. You're going to have the residential microwave up top. No worries, solid surface counters as you would expect. The other major adjustment that they've made, in addition to putting that big shower on the other side of this wall, is they put this gigantic storage space here as well. So lots of stuff that you can put in there. That's a perfect pantry for literally anything. You could even use that for extra linens or extra towels, whatever you want. As we work out into the coach, please notice that you've got 2 slides up front, so that's going to give you lots of extra living space up front. It also affords you to have this beautiful booth table and chairs dinette system here, which means that I can expand this whole thing. There's 2 folding chairs underneath the beds, and that means you can put those right here, comfortably seat 4 people, and with that big buffet up there means you can serve everything up family style. The other benefit to having this is that after dinner, if it's movie night or if you're just entertaining some friends, you've got the extra chairs that you can put literally anywhere in the coach so that everybody can enjoy the ball game. No worries. As you might expect with all Newmar coaches, you are going to have the best of the best. So this is a flex steel fold and tumble sofa, and up front you're going to have flex steel captain's chairs as well. So you are going to have, of course, auto leveling. This is going to be on a Ford F53 chassis. And one of the nice things about this particular coach is that we've optioned in the Rand McNally Excite GPS system. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that this is an RV specific system. So once you enter in the specs on this particular coach, you are going to have the ability, basically the navigation system will not take you under an overpass, for instance, that you can't get through, or take you through a tunnel that's going to be too short. You're always going to be traveling as safe as you possibly can. Plus, it'll also help you search things out. So whether you need a fuel stop, whether you're looking for a place to eat that you can get the RV into, it'll help you out in more ways than just getting you from A to B. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Well, let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, so on the exterior of this brand new Bay Star Sport 3226, check out the beautiful paint job. This is BASF full body paint, as you would expect with all Newmar coaches. You are going to have the outside side view cameras that'll help cover all the blind spots, make travel nice and safe. And then you are, of course, going to have a pretty good amount of storage space in this coach as well. Check out all of that storage space. You do have lots. Now, as we get to this spot here, this is something that's going to be critically important. You do, of course, have an Onan 5500 generator. What that means to you is that in a Bay Star Sport, that's right, Bay Star Sport, you've got 2 AC units on top. That's going to keep all of this nice and comfortable, and combine that with Newmar's quality insulation. You could be in 120-degree heat in Arizona in the middle of summer and you're still going to be able to keep it 70 degrees inside. So that'll power both the ACs on top plus everything else in the coach. Problems of any kind related to temperature, solved. Let's move on. As we work our way around the back, you are of course going to have the ladder up top, 5,000-pound hitch, and you're also going to have the rear view camera as well. And as we get around to the other side, one of the nice things about this, you've already got a surge guard built in, and something that they started doing with their higher end coaches is they started putting that gasket in a couple years ago. This has migrated its way down to the Bay Star Sport. That's going to allow you to have yourself plugged in and keep that door closed and locked up tight. That gasket will keep critters, insects, anything like that from really getting in and causing trouble. Another nice thing is that where your tank drains are, and you notice that I don't have to duck under a slide to get to that stuff or to the power. Kind of a nice thing, means you can deploy your slides, go make adjustments if you need to. You don't have to worry about bonking your head on these slides or anything like that. The last big thing to show on the side here, just again, all the extra storage space that you've got. And then of course you're going to have a big propane tank right up front. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this brand new Bay Star Sport 3226. I'm sure you're aware that there's a few little detail items that I haven't had a chance to talk about. Believe me, I'd love to have a conversation with you so that you and your family can make an informed decision on the best coach to buy. If you have those questions, or contact me at the information below on the screen, or if you'd like, feel free to call me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.